The IRS has the legal right to impose penalties on taxpayers who don't properly pay their taxes. For example, a criminal who fraudulently reported income may face a penalty of jail time, or a taxpayer who has not filed their taxes on time may be assessed a monetary fine. Another legal course of action, the IRS explains a tax levy, a legal seizure of your property to satisfy a tax debt. Levies are different from liens. A lien is a legal claim against property to secure a payment of the tax debt, while a levy actually makes the property to satisfy the tax debt. In other words, the IRS can physically confiscate the property of your own pay for some or all your tax debt. This legal option, however, is usually used after a series of attempts to contact you have been unsuccessful. A notice in demand for payment is mailed to the last address they have on file for you. If no response to this notice is received, the IRS sends another, which is called the final notice of intent to levy. This notice allows the taxpayer to respond within 30 days before going forward with the levy. The notices may arrive by certified registered U.S. mail or in person at your last known home or business address. The IRS isn't only limited to your personal banking accounts. They can also access your wages, retirement accounts, dividends, and more, as well as seize and sell tangible assets like your car, boat, or rental property. The most common methods of tax levy are wage garnishments and bank levies. If the IRS chooses to garnish your wages, they send a notice to your employer demanding specific withholdings be sent to the IRS. Wage garnishments remain in place until the total tax debt is paid, regardless of employee changes. Should the taxpayer start a new job while the garnishment is in effect, the IRS sends a notice to the new employer. Contact a qualified tax professional for more information on halting or reducing the wage garnishments in exchange for a suitable payment arrangement. To initiate a bank levy, the IRS sends a notice to the bank directing it to freeze the funds in your account. The freeze remains in effect for 21 days, giving the taxpayer an opportunity to address the levy before the funds are applied to his or her bank tax debt. Bank levies may be lifted in extraordinary circumstances. It's critical to learn who put the levy on your account so that immediate action can be taken. The IRS may lift the levy if it causes significant hardship to the taxpayer. A qualified and credentialed tax professional may discuss the case with the IRS on your behalf. While the IRS aims to secure the highest possible payments on the back tax debt, a tax professional negotiations for the lowest possible payment. If you've received a final notice of intent to levy, give us a call immediately at 800-518-8964, 800-518-8964. We specialize in negotiating alternative payment options with the IRS that may allow you to avoid a levy on your assets. Our knowledgeable and reputable staff is committed to establishing an agreement with the IRS that may include an abatement of penalties, reverse of a levy, and an affordable installment agreement. We're available all year round during business hours, evenings, and weekends for your convenience. We offer a free confidential consultation to determine the options you have for the best possible results. There's no obligation to hire our firm. If you decide that we're a good fit for your needs, we'll get started right away. Give us a call, 800-518-8964.